Hi friends, welcome back to Food Vlog by Ajo and Shibi. Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day, as this is the 75th Independence Day and our daughter's second Independence Day. Let's prepare a delicious, very easy and full of flavors Rava Ki Laddu or Suji Ke Laddu. As you can see, after having these laddus, Hanna is so happy. So let's get started. For this, the ingredients needed is rava 1 cup, sugar 2/3 cup, desiccated coconut half cup, milk 1/4 cup. Then I have taken some dry fruits. You can take according to your choices and availabilities. For nice flavor and fragrance, I have taken 1/4 teaspoon elaichi powder. Now let's prepare it quickly. For this we need a pan and we will take approximately 2 spoon ghee. Now we will add rava. We have taken medium size. If you get a small size, it will be more appropriate. Now we will roast it for 10 minutes and we will keep stirring it continuously in low flame as we don't want the color to get changed. Now we will be adding dry fruits. Don't add kishmish and we will be roasting it for 2 minutes. Keep roasting and stirring it in between. Keep stirring it in between. Now we will quickly transfer the roasted rava into a container. Now in the same pan, let's melt the sugar. We have taken 2/3 cup of sugar and we will be adding the same amount of water and keep stirring it continuously till the sugar gets completely dissolved. Now we will stir the sugar and we will wait till the sugar gets dissolved. As you can see, the sugar is getting dissolved. Now we will add the desiccated coconut and mix it properly. Now we will be adding the roasted rava together to the melted sugar and we will be mixing it all, the 3 ingredients together. Mix it well. Now we will be adding 1/4 cup milk and 1/4 teaspoon elaichi powder, and again we will mix the ingredients together. Mix it well. If you want to use this Rava Laddu for a longer period, do not add milk. For storing it in a refrigerator for 1 week, you may add milk as it softens the laddu. Now, let the mixture cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Now we will start making the laddus and we will be placing a dry fruit on the top of the ball. We can make approximately 12 Rava Laddus with this mixture. You can see we have made 1 laddu. Similarly, we will be rolling it and making the other laddus. Hope you are liking our videos. Guys, please like, share and subscribe our channel and do support us. Hi, you can see the laddus have come out so well. These looks very similar to the ones we buy from outside. Guys, these are very easy to make for festivals and for any other occasions. Once again, wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Hope you like our video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe with others. Thank you.